Delhi has been shamed again. Very little has changed on the ground in Delhi despite massive outrage that swept the country after the gang rape case in December. An 11-year-old girl was raped by the driver of a chartered bus in the national capital. The driver has been nabbed and a case of rape has been registered against him. The accused lured the victim when she was playing near the stationary bus in Sultanpuri area of the capital. The crime came to light after the victim narrated the horrific tale to her parents. The latest incident is similar to the one in which the Delhi Braveheart was brutally assaulted by 6 men in December last year.
जब बाजार से आया था ना मुझे बंद कर रहा था वो बोल रहा था तुझे बंद करके रखूंगा तो उन्होंने सिलवार सूट उठा के पता नहीं क्या क्या करने लग गया था।
मेरे तो आज पता लगा मेरे को
तो जिसने गलत काम किया वो कहाँ पर है?
वो भागा बस लेकर ये रहा घर उसका
बेटी है भी है
बेटी है 5 लड़की है वो उसकी काम पे गई हुई है।
ठीक है, ये ड्राइवर है राकेश जो राव ट्रेवल्स की बस चलाता है। बस के अंदर बच्चे खेल रहे थे और बाकी बच्चों को बाहर निकालते उस लड़की को अंदर ले गया। गेट बंद कर दिए। गेट बंद करने के बावजूद उसके कपड़े उतार दिए गए हैं और उसका गलत हरकत करी है।
Aditi Anant Narayanan joins us on the phone line this morning with more. Aditi, another bus rape in the capital. This comes almost 4 months after the horrific Delhi gang rape case, and there are a lot of similarities there in the manner in which this little child was assaulted. Just take us through the details of the case right now. Has the man been arrested? Is there also a possibility of involvement of other people?
Yes, Ruchika, very shocking case because this happened in broad daylight. In fact, what we were being told by our police sources was that the incident took place at around 10:15 in the morning on Saturday when the girl was playing inside the bus. It is at that time that the driver, who is at around 40 or 45 years old, he lured the girl and he closed the door of the bus and actually assaulted her. In fact, the girl took exactly 1 day to actually come out with this shocking incident, which she discussed this with her friends, and only after that the parents came to know about it. And the girl was lured into it because she already knew the driver, because the driver stays about just 2 flats away from her own house. So very shocking. For now, the police has arrested the driver. For now, there is no specification that there is involvement of any other people. In fact, we were also being told that this is not the first time that the man has attempted something like this over the children. There were 2-3 other kids also who had discussed about this, that the man had constantly being chased. They were being chased by the man and they were being assaulted by him. But for the first time that such a case has come out. But yes, very shocking because it happened in broad daylight and nobody came to know about it, Ruchika.
All right. Thank you, Aditi, for joining us with those details. We also have Shanta Sinha, Chairperson, NCPCR, now joining us on the phone line. Thank you, Ms. Sinha, for your time. Well, little seems to have changed on ground, Ms. Sinha, despite the outrage that swept the country in the aftermath of the gang rape in December last year. We're still hearing of cases like these, and this, of course, is very, very similar to what happened to the Delhi Braveheart in December.
I agree with you. This is really very, very outrageous and sad, shocking. I think we will. I don't know if this is a school bus. If it is a school bus, we will have to actually.
It's a chartered bus, ma'am.
Yeah, but still, they have to be given strict instructions that when they are taking children, that they make a reality check of who these bus drivers are, and also have always one other woman or other person to escort, and no time the bus or the bus conductor can go without having a woman escort in that bus. This is not the way it is, because this is not the first time. The Commission has heard of assault on children by bus conductors and bus drivers. We have been saying that there has to be a female escort in the bus all the time, and that has to be checked every day.
Well, no end to rape shame in the national capital. Here's another incident that's been reported now from Sultanpuri area, where a 10-year-old girl was raped by the driver of a chartered bus. The accused has now been arrested. Thank you very much, Ms. Sinha, for joining us this morning.